Hi guys, garage update 18. We got the second floor walls and the roof completed, as well as we put in the first floor windows and doors as we're preparing to do siding on the outside. Here's a walk around of the second floor as we're just starting to put up walls. Here's some shots of the bottom of the siding before we change it so that the roof can meet it nicely. Here's what the section of the floor where the stairs will go is looking like. This is the new roof meeting the old siding wall. A lot of work was completed between the previous shot and this one. At this point now we have OSB up on the entire exterior, house wrap, and the metal roof was just put on about 20 minutes before this shot. The whole time I've been doing these updates, I've been giving you a walk around from the corner in the front around to the back. Well, here's where we're at right now. Here's some shots of what the second floor is looking like now that there's a roof above it. Here's the underside of the roof with all the trusses installed. I had to get new trusses designed and approved to make sure that I would clear all the third floor windows. That's why it's been so long since the previous update, because I had to get them approved, built, and delivered. That really delayed the roof. The second floor got rained on a good bit, but I think it'll be okay. This is our cheap scaffolding for working on the rear side of the garage because it's so tall. Because I used engineered joists and engineered trusses, the first and second floor is basically open. I'm really looking forward to using this open space to do some new projects.